Hey there, my name is Reshma and I'm here to present you an awesome launch by Emily, Neeraj and Marek, and what we have got here is a truly special and solid product. Let me show you something. This is the Block Spring WordPress theme, and to make it more alive, let me take you to a live demo of this theme. This is marekhomes.com. Our theme is inspired from some of the most engaging and successful sites like Google+, Facebook, Mashable, TechCrunch, but mind it is built in a better way. As you can see, this is the navigation menu. You have got this 3-column layout over here on which you can showcase your blog post. You have got this option to put up your social icons, and this theme makes your website socially active with all the social network sharing option that we have got in here. You can just go viral on all these networks, and also you have got this Facebook commenting system and Google+ commenting system integrated with this theme, with which you can make your website more socially active and engaging. You can see the conversation over here, which makes this blog post more engaging, more interesting, and very active. With its ultra responsiveness and brilliant design, you can see the theme is completely responsive on any device you use it. It works absolutely fine. And with all these features and all these brilliant design, it have got this lightning fast load, and the theme is just under 500 KB. Can you imagine? So why do you wait for? Let us deliver a truly valuable product to our customers and send you some good cash. Please make sure you mark your calendars. We go live on March 4th, Tuesday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Exciting, huh? It definitely is. See you inside.